Hey everyone, it's Nezzle. Welcome back to my channel Nezzle and to another vlog. In today's video we are hashing up in Gouyave in St. John, and today's hash is the crazy hat hash. So persons are supposed to wear really crazy hats. I don't have one, but the idea is that persons wear crazy hats and there's like a prize that will be given to the best hat, and it is hash number 1234. And so in honor of that, there are new t-shirts, the yellow t-shirts and vests, as well as 4 trails for either 1, 2, 3 or 4 miles. So I hope you enjoy today's video. Let's get going.
Everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for
the first circle of the day. Persons have kicked it right, so we're gonna go right into the bushes here.
when life throws lemons. Just call.
Circle number 2 also kicked right, so continuing right.
I'm crazy. Crazy hash.
Crazy hat, not crazy hat.
Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me.
Here we have gotten to the first sign. Today there are 4 trails, 1, 2, 3 or 4, in honor of the hash number 1234. So persons taking trail 1, which is 1 mile, will go right where this vehicle is going
right
currently. Yes, well, we're not going right. We are going to continue on left here on this path and choose one of the other options, so either 2 miles, 3 miles or 4 miles. Currently I'm leaning towards maybe 3, but looking at the time and the sun to help determine.
When life throws lemons, just call on me.
Here's another circle here, again pointing right, so we're gonna go right. And with the circles, they can mean that there are multiple trail options to take, but only one is correct. So usually persons who are early will try different ones, and then when they find the right one, the one that doesn't have an X at the end, then they will point other persons coming so they can save time and not try those options as well. Another circle yet again. So from the looks of it, this trail had a lot of false trails, because attached to all of the circles are false trails. And false trails can be quite annoying, because it's like you're walking thinking you're on the right track and then you see an X, and so you have to turn back and find the right trail. Another circle. I don't feel like I've been on a hash with that many circles before, and this one I'm not even really sure which direction it's pointing, but I feel like it's leaning more towards left, so I'm gonna try that. And another one again.
Another one.
Going left this side. I think it goes with the theme of today's hash, crazy hat hash. I guess I decided to make the trail a bit crazy, but this circle is kicked down, I think. So I think we're gonna go down into the bush.
I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready, yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that you stood me up. I wasn't ready.
Guys, if you look through here, you can see the roots of the tree. All of them are protruding here, and that is likely because the soil that it was in eroded, and so we now have the roots exposed, and that's quite interesting. In this tree here, you can see the roots outside as well, so that kind of tells you that the ground was probably higher. And it's extremely tall. You guys here to see the roots exposed again. There's an arrow here pointing left, so we continue left. Okay, so this is the second marker. So persons doing 2 miles go right, and persons who are doing 3 or 4 will continue left. It is 5:30 already, so in the interest of time and sun, I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 mile option. So I'm going to go right. We have a cocoa tree again. Well, we have several around us, and you can see the cocoa pod. Alright guys, so I missed the turn off, so I went right. I was supposed to continue straight, so I'm doing now.
Tell me what's your deal? Do you ever wonder how I really feel? Every time you turn your back, I wish I was done with that. Many times I try to start all over.
The number of times I have to retie my laces is just ridiculous. But anyway, we're continuing on. There's a lot of bamboo on this trail. As you can see, we have a lot of bamboo in Grenada in general. Guys, there are 2 arrows here. So I believe that this is where maybe the 3 mile or the 4 mile joins this trail to continue. So it's likely that they came from up that side and they're coming back and going straight. And we now came from behind here and we are turning right.
Okay.
Hello, you enjoying the trail? Okay. Alright, so we just met a fellow hasher who said that this is a 3 mile. At least she's on the 3 mile. So I don't know if the people who do the 4 mile are also passing here, but definitely this is where the people who do the 3 mile combine with those of us who did 2 miles. There's 2 huge trees here. So if you look up, you can't even see the top of them. So I've noticed that this area has a lot of really massive trees, which is pretty cool. It also makes the area really, cool in terms of temperature as well, which I like. We have a little stream here, and we're crossing to get to the other side there. Overall, that one wasn't bad, just a little soggy. I don't like to get my shoes all muddy, but it's not bad. So it's okay. More tall trees here, and you can see the palm trees in between. So beautiful. And there's also a cow grazing in the distance. Guys, I think this is the last one of these. So I do believe that this confirms that the 4s combined at that arrow we saw there, because 4 goes left here and 2 and 3 milers go right. Because I'm noticing that there are a lot of palm trees mixed in with other trees here. So it's like they kind of just intertwine, which is really beautiful. That's not okay. Okay, so I had to switch to my phone. My GoPro decided it's not gonna work. I don't know what's going on with it. The screen did crack. I've been trying with it for the longest while, but maybe it decided it's dead. But anyway, I was telling you guys that I love the way the trunks intertwine here on the tree. It's just really, really beautiful, and the way that the palm tree connect, it like intertwines with the other tree. I love it. We have some chickens. Hey, chickies. Hi, doggy. How are you? So guys, we just came from here, and if you look at this beautiful tree here that's dropping all of those little orange blossoms on the ground. I love it. And here we have the calabash tree, and you can see 2 calabash here. So they can use these things, they will cut them in half and sometimes use them to make bowls or little decorative pots, and so it's really nice. Sometimes you can put spices and so in them. Some people use them to sell their products, like their spices and so it's lovely. And that's the tree, the calabash tree. Person here has a lovely little garden in front of their home. So here you have the arrow coming from the right hand side here, and then 2 other arrows over here. So I believe all of the trails combine here, and we head in from here. Guys, there's actually a wheel here, so it probably was a water wheel or something. Not sure what was here, but this is fascinating. Look at the roots of the tree on this house. It's like it's wrapped around it. Wow. Alright guys, so apparently this building here with the big tall stoop was a fire station or so. This building to my right here was a school, and the first mill that we saw was like a rum factory, so they used to make rum there. So it's pretty cool. But at least that's what I was told by one of the residents. Even with the gate here, you can see like the plantation system behind there. Like you can see where maybe they were like drying the cocoa and so behind there, and you can see the entrance here as well. Here to my right, you can see the Gouyave playing field. There's a cow chilling by the river. Well, sanitary. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing more of the, I guess, vegetation side of Gouyave. But if you did, then please thumbs it up, leave a comment letting me know your thoughts on the video, and subscribe if you're new to the channel or if you haven't yet done so, and turn on the notification bell so you'll always know when I post new videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
Alright. Do we have a winner?
Oh, this is Jono first,
This is
So he's virginity. He got lost today. He was a virgin, but he's not a virgin.
No longer a virgin.
Jono first half. Very
Right.